Hello and welcome to another Vlogmas vlog. If you are new here, my name is Rachel and I work a 9-to-5 job in marketing in downtown Toronto, and this is my life. So I just got home. It is super snowy outside and I was just bundled up and trekked home in my boots. I had a package waiting for me from some Black Friday shopping that I did, so I'm gonna open it up with you. It's a really big box. Even the security guard downstairs asked me, what did you order? Because it is really heavy. And the answer is laundry detergent. 2 things of laundry detergent and a few others. I don't like how it comes wrapped in so much plastic, but it's also really heavy for me to get laundry detergent and carry it down the street with me. So I saw it on Amazon for a good deal and I picked it up along with a few other things. So this is the laundry detergent that I like. It smells really good. It is the Arm & Hammer 50 loads, and this scent is clean, fresh scent, and that it is. It smells very clean. So I got 2 of them. You had to order 2 as a minimum order, and I love this. I always buy it at Walmart, so I picked it up. Then I got this collagen. So I've been putting collagen in my coffee every morning, and I find that it really makes a difference. So I got a container of it from Amazon. I tried a little bit from my mom. She ordered the big container of it and I felt like it really made a difference. So I ordered one for myself and I'm just gonna keep it next to my coffee in the morning so that I remember to put it in, but it really made a difference with my nails. They're chipped right now and I actually just cut them, but they were super long for a bit. So I think it is because of this. Then I just got some other random essentials. This is the deodorant that I like and I got 2 of them because again, you need a minimum order when you order on Amazon. But I always forget to buy deodorant until I run out. So now I have a back stock and I like the cucumber scent. It just smells really fresh. Again, random essentials. I got more Brita filters for my water because my container has been telling me to change it for probably like 2 months now. So I thought, you know what? It's time to get a new pack. And then last but not least, I got these Ziploc containers. I do have glass Tupperware, but I do find it's really heavy to travel to work with. So I will keep my glass ones for just storing leftovers at home. But for taking to work every day, I thought I'd get some plastic ones that were a little bit smaller than the other ones that I have already. So I thought these were a good size to make a lunch with. That is my haul of random things. These were just kind of some essentials that I needed, and it's a lot more convenient to order on Amazon. That is what I pay my Amazon Prime membership for convenience, and then I don't have to lug these random things like laundry detergent on the street with me, and I can still get a really good price. But I also did some other Black Friday shopping, so those things will be coming in the mail probably this week. So I will give you updates as they arrive. Today, the Amazon package arrived. I am dressed up today for work. We had to wear black and white attire, so I'm wearing this plaid blazer from H&M. That is a black and white. I'm wearing this black chiffon blouse from Dynamite, and then this is an awkward position to be doing this in. Then I'm wearing my black belt from RW&Co and my black jeans from RW&Co. And that's my outfit today with my hair straight. I would have liked to have curled my hair, but to be honest, I woke up super late this morning and just didn't have time, so I just quickly straightened it and ran out the door so I wouldn't be late, and that's why I'm not starting the vlog until now after work. I woke up and it was like a really big snowstorm and I woke up late, so I was like, I need to go to work. Today was good. We had a town hall celebrating like the end of the year celebrations. I was only like at my desk working in the morning, and then we went to a different venue and had like a really big celebration with the whole department. There was food and drinks, so I ate way too much of those little appetizers. I won't need to eat dinner tonight, which is good, so I can now get to work. I have to post a vlog because you know it is Vlogmas. I actually had a moment where I was faced with a decision. So at the town hall, there was a bunch of my work friends that were like, Rachel, we're going out, we're gonna go sing karaoke, even though it's literally Monday. They're like, come out, have a drink with us. And I was like, no, I'll come out with you next time, but I have to go home because because I have to upload my video. But honestly, I don't feel bad. I obviously love hanging out with my work friends, and I love opportunities like that because I really think that it makes a difference to be friends with the people or have a good relationship with the people that you work with. It makes working a lot easier and you just get the job done better. That is really important to me, and I do prioritize that, but I also have other responsibilities and knew that I needed to come home. I changed into comfy clothes, but I guess what I was trying to say there is that I love what I do both at work and outside of work, on YouTube. I love it all, and with that, to be able to do it all, you have to make sacrifices. So tonight I sacrificed going out with some friends to do what I love and post my video. Why am I such a disgusting human? Look at my sink right now. Dirty dishes piled up because my dishwasher was full of clean dishes. So I just unloaded it. I'm gonna reload it and just clean the kitchen because I am gross. I don't know why I let it get to this point, and then I live in chaos. Good morning. Today is a dry shampoo day. I already sprayed it in and letting it sit while I did my makeup. It's now part of my morning ritual that I will listen to Michael Bublé Christmas music while I get ready, and it's just so relaxing, so wonderful, and I love it. So I'm just getting ready for work. I'm also wearing like a festive red shirt, not for any particular reason. It's just what I was feeling this morning, but I'm actually going out for dinner and drinks tonight with some work friends. It'll be really nice, and it's like to celebrate the holidays, so maybe that's subconsciously where I chose this red blouse from. I'm all ready for work this morning, and I will show you an outfit of the day. Pretty simple. My hair is straightened, same as yesterday, just added dry shampoo, and then I pinned back a piece with a bobby pin, changing it up a little bit. And then this red silky blouse that is very festive. I don't know where I'm going today, but like I said, I think it'll be cute for my dinner tonight. So my red festive silky blouse is from Dynamite, and I really like the wrap style to it. It has like a little bow on this side, and then I'm just wearing black like stretch dress pants from Dynamite as well. A little black cami underneath. This is from Walmart, and these are my favorite. And then my typical jewelry. So this necklace is from Swarovski. I will link it down below. I've been getting some questions on it recently. And then these hoop earrings, they're just silver hoops. I actually got them when I was in Mexico, so I can't link them. But I can link something similar, and then you can't see it, but I'm wearing a silver watch underneath, and it's my Michael Kors watch. That's my outfit. Hello, I am home. Tonight was so lovely. I went to dinner with some of the women from the women's network that I work with. It was just nice to like get together and chat and like get to know each other better, because every time we see each other we're doing work, so it was just really nice. And I'm exhausted. I had such great food, such great drinks, and now I'm ready to go to bed. So I will talk to you tomorrow. I just got home from work and my nose is running today. It's very cold outside, but I had been inside all day, so I wanted to walk outside to come home to get some fresh air. But today is the day that I'm finally putting up my Christmas tree. I've been putting it off for so long, not because I don't want to do it. I really want to have my tree up, but just there was always something that came in the way. And today's the day. On my way home, I stopped off to see if I could find chocolate covered Oreos. So I know that these come out every year around Christmas time, And I just have vivid childhood memories of eating the white fudge covered ones. So I was on the hunt after seeing it on Instagram, but I was like, let me go to Shoppers Drug Mart on my way back. They didn't have the white ones, but they had the fudge covered like chocolate ones. So I'm gonna try them on camera with you. I feel like I'm still like out of breath from walking home. My mouth was like watering when I picked these up off the shelf. I was like, can I try them in the store? But then I thought of you and I wanted to do this with you in the vlog. All right, here goes nothing. Delicious. Keep in mind, it's been like 10 years since I've had these. I still want to find the white ones though. They do exist. If you didn't know, I love Oreos. Love them. These are so good. Anyways, now that I'm eating cookies, I'm gonna make dinner and then put up my tree. I'm making a fun dinner tonight, so I have all of my toppings ready and I'll go over them in a second. But over here, I just finished making some white rice, and I don't normally eat white rice. I always eat brown rice, but every time I make this meal, it just tastes better with this white, like, I forget what it's called, but it's like the rice that you would make risotto with. Let me see what it is called. Orboro rice. Probably butchered that. Can I even call myself Italian? But yeah, it's super fluffy, and I made it in my rice cooker. I will link this down below, and it is just magical. You get perfect rice every time. As long as you take it off the like heat as soon as it pops, because then it'll burn the bottom of it if it continues to sit there. And then I made a piece of steak that I'm gonna cut up, and I'm gonna make a burrito bowl. So I have my cheese, tomatoes, salsa, corn, guacamole that I made. I have some black beans that I just warmed up because these were in the fridge, because I used them for something else this week. Touch of sour cream, and that'll be it. This is one of my favorite meals. Yes, it's a lot of food. I even use a smaller bowl than I normally do, but there's just a lot of toppings. And I made enough rice and steak for 3 bowls. And then like I'll have this for dinner and lunch tomorrow and whatever is left over on the weekend. All right, the time is finally here to put up my Christmas tree. But first, we have to set the mood with a fireplace and Christmas music. I'm ready. So this is my finished tree, and I think it is so beautiful. I love it up, and I'm so excited to have it up every day on my self timer. So the top of the tree, this is a star that I got from Michael's. These are the same decorations that I've had for the last 2 years, and to be honest, maybe the last year that I'm using them, because I would like to change it up, do something different than the rose gold, but it's very pretty and I still love it. So it's like cream on the top, and it's a gradient to be more rose gold on the bottom. And then of course I have my fake presents on the bottom that just match with the wrapping paper. So I will go through and just note some of the decorations. So the bows, I actually tied onto the tree and they stay on the tree, as well as it's pre-lit. Got this tree from HomeSense 2 years ago, and it was $100. These bows, it's a ribbon that I got from Michael's, and I've tied these on and they stay on. These little icicles are actually from the dollar store, Dollarama. These are clear glass balls that I put rose gold glitter into. These are from Michael's, and then the same ones, some of them I filled with fake snow that has like a really pretty iridescent shimmer that is like reflective pink, so it matches. This I think is what makes the biggest difference on my tree. These are some glitter leaves that actually came in one big bundle, and I cut it up into a bunch of different pieces, so you can see that I have some here, and it's just like sprinkled all throughout the tree. Also note, I only decorate the front of the tree because it's in the corner and there's no need to decorate the back. There's also a fair bit of room between the tree and the furnace, so no need to be concerned. These glitter snowflakes are also from Michaels, and I think those are all of the unique decorations, and then they're just kind of all scattered throughout. Then last year, my aunt gifted me this ornament for Christmas, and it says condo owner. So last year is when I bought my condo, so it has the year. It's just a really great memory, so of course I put it on the tree, and she tied it with a gold bow. I have this sign that's also from Michaels that's rose gold, and then these little mirrored decorations that were gifted to me from my mother. She had them in her collection and gave them to me. And then this has been my favorite candle so far from Bath & Body Works, Rose Water and Ivy. It's not a Christmas scent, but I love the way that this smells, and I burn it pretty much every night. It's just so soothing to me. And yes, there's a bunch of glitter everywhere, but it's too late right now to vacuum, so don't want to like wake up my neighbors, but I will vacuum tomorrow and get all the glitter off of the floor. I made it to the gym. It was only for like 30 minutes, but I still did it, and I'm feeling a lot better about myself. Thank you so much for watching. That is the end of this vlog. I hope you all enjoyed. Subscribe if you are not already subscribed to my channel, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!